Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is my first unboxing video. I just received my package from the cake decorating company and I'm really excited. I hope you are too. I made this video last week when I received the package and I placed the order the week before that. And they had an offer called Spring 500, which was 80% off on 500 products on their website, which I thought was a pretty good deal. I mean, who doesn't like a sale, right? The best part is they offer next day delivery for orders over 75 pounds. Though my order was less than 75 pounds, I still got a free shipping and it was delivered in 3 to 4 days. So that's a good thing. Here's the order details so that you can cross verify. You don't have to log on to their website to check if you received all of them. Okay, here are the cake boards. Usually I use a thicker cake board for my orders, but these are for my YouTube channel videos, so I thought I'll give these a try. These were on sale as well, and these are some cake bases to go under the cake. These were on sale as well, but only one size was available. These are the Allergen Labels. They come in a pack of 100 and they have a variety of color options available so that you can match with your brand colors. My logo is mostly blue, so I picked out the ones that would go with my brand colors, and these look really good. The quality is definitely worth the money. For £4 you get 100 stickers, so that's really cost effective when compared to the personalized ones. If you're starting out, then I would highly recommend these stickers. You don't have to worry about missing out any allergens. All you have to do is tick the allergens and you're good to go. These are the baking pans from the PME brand. These are suitable for both 6-inch and 8-inch pans. With my new oven, I find there's a lot of browning around the edges. And I've read a lot of good reviews about these belts. So I think they'll solve the problem, hopefully. This is the pure silver edible luster dust from Magic Colors. I was very excited when I saw these on sale. This is a 10 ml pot and costs around £2.75, and I've used them earlier. They give a very good finish. The sheen is really good. The silver really pops, and it gives a really good coverage, and I can't wait to use them on my next YouTube video. This is the copper luster dust by Ingenius edibles. This is a 5-gram pot and it costs around £2.20. I'd been wanting to do a few projects with the copper color palette and one with a teal and a copper combo. Hopefully I'll get it done soon. This is the candy clay by Sugar Street. Truly speaking, I've never used a ready-made candy clay for any of the projects I've done so far. So I thought I'd give this a try for one of the projects that I have in mind. This originally cost around £12, but I got it for £10 on sale. I think sale is a great way to try out expensive products and to experiment and see if it is worth the money. I mean, if it cuts down on the work, then I would definitely pay the few extra bucks and get going with the project. The Sugar Street candy clay is available in two sizes, 450 and 900 grams. This is white fondant by Cake Touches. This is a 1 kg pack and it costs around £5.75. I've been using Drench's fondant for the longest time. The quality is really good, but I find it dries out quickly and gives less time to work on it. So I thought I'd give this a try and see if it works out for me. Next is my personal favorite. It's Calabo's Covacha Dog Chocolate. This is a 1 kg pack, and this was on sale. It originally costs around £10, and I got it for £8, which I think is a pretty good deal. And as you all know, I love to use quality products in all my bakes, and when it's chocolate, it's always Calabo. This is white fondant by Renshaw, and as I mentioned earlier, I've been using Renshaw for the longest time. This is a really good fondant. It stretches pretty well. The taste is really yummy. It doesn't tear on you. It doesn't form elephant skin. It is a really good fondant, and if you're a beginner, then I would highly recommend this. This is a 1 kg pack, and it costs around £4.35. There are a variety of colors available, so you need not worry about coloring them. They are available in 250 gram packs, 1 kilo packs, and 5 kilo packs. So this is Bright Gold Dust Dust by Ingenius Edibles. This is a 5 gram pot and costs around £2.20. Like every other cake artist, even I obsess over the gold luster dust. So another one to the collection. I have a million nozzles, though I use only 1M piping tips most of the time. I think I have an addiction. I want to keep buying new nozzles, so I tried to resist, but still I ended up buying one more nozzle. So probably do some cupcakes just because I bought them, yeah, so that I don't feel guilty later. So this is I think it's a Dahlia piping tip. Yep. And these are some cake boards for the regular celebration cakes. Yep, I didn't order any boxes this time because I have a lot of boxes in stock. So anyways, who doesn't like to unpack and see their order? Yeah, anything. Anyway, I am really pleased and happy that all my items had come. Whatever I ordered had come safely without any damage in transit, so I'm really pleased with it. Cake decorating company has I love to order items from cake decorating company. I've ordered from a few other companies which I don't want to name. Out of all them, I love cake decorating companies way of packaging and the delivery time. Their service is really good. Even if you say that you have an item missing, they respond really quickly and they get it sorted for you, and they're really customer friendly. I think they are the best vendors in UK. I can vouch for their service and the quality of products. Definitely, even if they have a sale, the sale items are really of good qualities. They're not really, for example, the last time I ordered boxes which were on sale were of really good quality. They didn't look dull or anything. They were really good quality boxes. So I can vouch cake decorating company is a really good vendor in terms of service and quality. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.